Good morning everyone. So today I'm going to explain you how you can resolve the quality issues on your Kindle ebook. So in case if some quality issues is reported, it will come on your books page. So you can see the quality issues reported. So this is what the general user will see. Customers reported quality issue. Okay. So now if you're a writer, then you'll have to go to the your dashboard. Okay, and you log in using your credentials. So this is so I'm a writer. I have written a Hindi book, Aks Tumhara. So over here I have seen, I have written two books. uh, so over here you can see view items. Okay, see where my mouse is, click here. Now it will show you all the items which have been reported for review. So you click here and then you can see individual items. Okay, so for example, the first item is some padding issues and spacing after the chapters, few things related to line spacing, page breaks, etc. Post font size, right? So what you have to do is you have three options: either you fix it or not an issue or cannot fix. So in case if you do I'll fix it, you can submit your response and then upload a new version. If it's not an issue, then you'll have to give an explanation. Okay, so you'll have to type something, right? So give an explanation or an error. Okay, if you cannot fix at all, then you can write what's the reason why you cannot fix it. For example, it's a Hindi version, right? So I might not be able to fix all the issues. Okay, but what I'll do is that I'll fix it. So once you fix it, you'll see the check boxes. You can see the green text coming in, right? So I have decided that I'll fix all the pagination issues and other things. I have submitted the response. Okay, now it will ask you to complete the review. Please make necessary corrections. Okay, so now you go again to the dashboard and make the required changes and then upload it. Okay, so I'll go to the bookshelf again, and what I'll do is that I'll update it. So see, I have already made all the page breaks and spacings and other issues, right? So I've tried to fix it. Now I'll upload it. Okay, so again you go here, edit ebook content. See, version 8.1 was updated earlier. Now I'll update it with 8.2. So it will ask you to upload ebook manuscript. So this is what I've updated now. So now it's a regular process. So I hope this video will help you. Okay, so what I've seen is that if I upload it using MS Word, right? So you'll have to take care of formatting and spacing. Okay, so yeah, so it is still processing my file. Okay, so basically see what you can do is that you can go to line spacing options and just go to paragraph spacing. So these kind of usual issues you'll get, so you can fix it using the uh, relaxed or open or tight. Okay, so okay, it is still processing my file. So since I've written it in Hindi, right? So I think the algorithm might be showing some space issues and other things due to a different font, right? So yeah, we'll have to just ensure that it is removed. So it's file processing complete, running manuscript check. So just wait for some more time. so now it's file processing complete, manuscript check complete. Okay, now you can click on launch previewer and just ensure that the changes which you have done, those are corrected. Okay, so what I normally do is that I just flip through the first two pages where I made the corrections. So okay, yeah, so over here I had removed some spacing, so I think this is the latest version. And I also click on the content basically to ensure that the pagination is correct, otherwise this is where we get more issues. Go back to book details. Okay, and then since this is done, so 8.2 is uploaded successfully, right? Now you save and continue. Okay, I'm not going to change anything on the pricing. I'll just use the option of publish your Kindle ebook. Okay, so it says it will take around 72 hours, but most likely they'll revert in few hours, because this is just an update of the earlier book, right? So once this is done, then you again go to the quality dashboard. Okay, so I think it will take maybe a few hours, and then you go to the quality dashboard. In case if the issues are resolved, it will so okay, hold on. So make corrections, I have already submitted it, I think. Yeah, so I have clicked on I'll fix it and have submitted it. Okay, now as I have uploaded the new version, so it will come under review by Amazon. Once it is resolved, it is come in this tab, resolve tabs. In case if they reopen, then they'll put those things in the review. Okay, so yeah, hopefully this video will be helpful for you in your authorship journey. All the best. Thank you. Bye.